Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Python Brains. I hope you all are well and you already covered session 1 and session 2 from my channel. In session 1 we covered Python print statement, separator keyword and end keyword. In session 2 we already covered fundamentals of Python, data types, variables, type and ID functions. If you have any doubt in session 1 and session 2, you can mail us or comment us. We will be very happy to help you in this journey. Now we start our today's session. In today's session, we covered Python operators and its example. Before starting this session, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe and get all the updates related to Python series. So, what is Python operators? Operators are the special symbols which represent computation. They are applied on operands which can be values or variables. Same operators can have differently or different data types. Operators, when applied on operands, form an expression. Now I will explain you this with the help of one basic example. If I write A plus B is equal to C. Okay. So in this, what is A, what is B, what is C? A, B, C operands. Plus is operator. Equal to is operator. So the same basic point is that whatever operator we apply on any value or any variable, that variable is known as operand. Hope this point is clear to you. So the next point in this, based on number of operands, how can I divide my operators? So if you have only one operand, then you can say that that is a unary operator. If you have two operands, then that is a binary operator. If you have three operands, then you can say that that is a ternary one. Now the question is that, ma'am, that is okay. Binary or ternary, we can say that. But how it is unary? How the single operand is there? Suppose that I write A is equal to 10, right? And now here I print value of A. That is okay. Now I write minus A. So what is that? Minus 10. That is a single operand. So this is a basic example of unary. Okay. So next one we have in this, what all are the types of Python operators? If I just want to divide or categorize my operators based on type. So different types of Python operators are arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical or relational operators, assignment operators, conditionals or ternary operators we have. One by one, with the help of example, we discuss all the operators. So first we have Python arithmetic operators. If I just want to discuss the arithmetic operators, the basic operator that comes in my mind, the plus, minus, multiply and divide. The basic operator every student knows. But still after that we have many other operators like modulus operator we have, exponent operator we have and floor division operator we have. Okay. Now we discuss example of every operator. So I have two values A and B. If I write print A plus B, then it is 57, addition of two numbers. If I write print A multiply B, then multiplication of two numbers is there. So now if I write print A divided by B, so it divides two numbers. But the point is that that is quotient. Okay. Divide slash sign always print quotient of two numbers. If I write print, then A, this is the sign of floor division, double slash. B, then what happened in this? whatever your quotient is there, the integer part is returned by this flow division operator. Okay. Now, if I write A modulus B, so now what is the answer? Answer is 11. What is the meaning of modulus? Modulus operator always return remainder of two numbers, right? If I write print A, this one, you can say 2. What is the sign? This is the exponent sign. That means a raised to the power 2. Whatever a is, 34 times 34. If you write a exponent 3, that means 34 times 34 times 34. This is what all these operators are, arithmetic operators. Now in this, I just want to explain one more thing. If you apply this plus operator on string, then what happened? If I write good plus morning, then what happened? Plus operator with a string work as a concatenation. That means joining of two strings. If you apply plus operator on string, that means concatenation, joining of two strings. Similarly, if you write operator means multiplication operator on string like this, that means replication. Good, replicate 3 times. So that means replication. So plus and multiply operator works on numbers also and works on strings also. Hope the arithmetic operators are clear to you. We have here Python comparison operator. Comparison operator is also known as relational operator. How we can use these operators? Suppose that I write print 23 is greater than 25. Now, is this condition true or false? This condition is false. Here I compare two numbers and relation or comparison operator always return output in the form of true or false. If I write print 34 is not equal to 36. So, yes, it is true because that is not equal to, right? If I write print 23 equal to 34, so that is false. Now, the point that is very important and that student confused in this point. We use single equal to sign. I write a is equal to 12. So this single equal to is a assignment operator and this double equal to is a comparison operator that is used for comparing two values, right? So what is the summary of comparison operator? Comparison operator always return output in true or false. If you just want to give some expression like this, so you can give some expressions also. No problem in that case. That will calculate 5 times 4. If you just want to print this also, then it printed. That is true. Okay. So we can use comparison operator in this way also. Next we have a assignment operator. What is the meaning of assignment operator? The second name of assignment operators are shorthand operator. Okay. The shorthand operator is a combination of a binary operation and assignment. Suppose that I write x is equal to 12 and I write x is equal to x plus 2. Right. Okay. So now I print x. So simply it calculated because I'll just add number 2 in the value of x. So that is 40. So what is the short form of this? So I can write x plus equal to 2. Okay. Now you can print x the same. 14 is there. Now it is 16. So the same statement. What is the meaning of this statement? The meaning of this statement is x is equal to x plus 2. And we can use this with any operator, plus, minus, multiply, divide. With all arithmetic operators, I can use this. Okay, you can write this statement in a short form. Next, we have a logical operators. The three logical operators supported by Python are AND, OR, and NOT. Okay, and how we can use that? If we have OR operator, so OR operator returns you true if any one condition is true. Okay, in logical operator we compare two or more than two conditions. So in OR operator, if any one condition is true or one is false, then it returns true. No problem in that case. If you have both the conditions, if you have two conditions and both conditions are true, then also it returns true. So OR work with the OR operator and AND operator. If I write print 10 is less than 25 or 5 is greater than 6. Now you see, 10 is less than 25, that condition is true, and 5 is greater than 6, that condition is false. So 1 is true, 1 is false, it returns true. In the same scenario, if I write AND, okay, that is 5 greater than 6, it returns false because what is the rule of AND operator? The rule of AND operator is both conditions should be true. If one of the condition is true or one is false, then it returns false. And what is the scenario of NOT operator? NOT operator always reverse your output. If your condition is true, it returns false. If your condition is false, it returns true. So this is the scenario of NOT operator. Next we have in this membership operator. Now what is membership operator? Not in we have. In operator returns true if a character is exist in the string. It returns false if a character is not exist in the string. Similar in not in operator, it returns true if a character does not exist in a string. Okay, let's take the example of in and not an operator. If I write, suppose that H in hello, so that returns true. Yes, because H is there in hello. But if I write, see, H in hello, it returns false because Python is a case sensitive language. This H is small and this H is capital. So that's why it returns false. So if I write in this same H in H not in hello, it returns true. Yes, because that is not in present. So this is the concept of a membership operator in this. Next, we have Python operators precedence. What is the meaning of this? Like in maths, we have a BODMAS rule. We have any expression and then we solve that expression on the basis of both BODMAS rule. Similarly, in Python also, if we have any expression, suppose that I have an expression like this, 12 plus 3 multiplies 4 minus 6 slash 2. Okay, if I just want to solve this expression, then firstly I solve the multiplication part, then I solve the divide part, after that I solve the addition part, and then subtraction part. This is how can I decide all these things? I can decide with this. We have a precedence priority of the operators. That first one we solve exponent, then this one, then this one, then addition, subtraction, then we have bitwise, then we have comparison operator, then we have assignment operator. So we all follow this precedence table if I just want to solve any expression in Python. Now let's take one small example. Suppose that I just want to add two numbers, simple one. So I write a is equal to 20, b is equal to 30, and then c is equal to a plus b, right? And then I print c. So simply what happened? Addition is there. So simply I'll just write my program with arithmetic operator, but always when I run this program, my output is 50. If I just want to make this program dynamic, I just want that user can enter or user can enter input at the runtime. So I use the input statement. And how can I use the input statement? I write a int input, enter a number, right? So it asks, enter a number. I write 34, right? Similar for B also. I write B int input, enter a number, enter a number, right? So in this, what happened? I just want enter the second number, okay? And then I write C is equal to A plus B, and then print C. So what is that? Whenever I run this program, it asks for input. So I just can enter any input according to my wish. So the output is not fixed in this. So we can use input statement also for entering my input at runtime. If you just want to enter an integer value, then you write int. If you just want to enter a float value, then you write float in this. If you just want to enter a string value, then no need to write anything. We directly write input statement, and input statement accepts a string value automatically. This is all about our today's session. What we discussed in today's session. In today's session, we discussed about the Python operators and its examples. Hope you like the session. Please go through this session, and if you have any doubt, please comment us or mail us for any query. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much.